horsepower.
Sounds like a V8 to me.
Yes, sir. Horsies, you have a green arrow.
Oh, I thought it was just green.
Brother, follow Civic with a shiny ass fucking part.
Oh no.
Whose fart is louder? Bye. Have a good time. At 65. Go ahead, get over.
Alright guys, so this has just kind of been a test for my new GoPro. Finally putting some money into this and kind of give myself a little more intuition into making videos now that I actually have the equipment to do it. I plan on making some more videos in the future, like within the next week or two. Next week we plan on going back up to that drag strip in Lancaster. I want to race my Camaro, which you guys haven't seen yet. Got a video coming up I want to do. I got to replace the starter, and then we'll have a video of us going up to the drag strip. Should be nice and cold, so the carb car, a little bit of tuning adjustment, should run pretty good as long as nothing else breaks like the last time. But like I said, this was just kind of like a little test. That's why the video is kind of short. Leave some feedback. Let me know what you guys think. Kind of going to be floating around content between my usual technology and cars, because those are the two things I really enjoy. Another video to look forward to is, as you guys saw, I brought my Honda CRZ with me up to the drag strip just because I want to run it at least once. It's not, obviously I know it's not fast, it's a goddamn hybrid, but I figured I'd run it anyways. It's a fun little car. But I plan on making a review on that for any future buyers. But keep posted, there should be a lot more content coming.